Hey everyone! Today I'm diving into a question I get all the time. Is Napa cabbage actually good for you, or is there a catch? If you're a fan of crunchy leafy greens or just looking to add something new to your meals, stick around.
This is the variety you'll see most often at the grocery store, and for good reason. You know the one, pale green, long, and super crisp. Its leaves are tender but have just enough structure to hold up in all kinds of dishes. This is your go-to for classic kimchi, hearty soups, and stir-fries. It's the backbone of so many Asian recipes, and its mild flavor makes it incredibly versatile.
Napa cabbage, sometimes called Chinese cabbage, isn't just a stir-fry superstar. It's been a staple in Asian kitchens for generations, and for good reason. One of the first things I love about Napa cabbage is how low-calorie it is. We're talking less than 20 calories a cup. But here's the kicker. That same cup is loaded with vitamin C, vitamin K, folate, and even small amounts of calcium and iron. What does that mean for you? Well, vitamin C supports your immune system, keeping those sniffles at bay. Vitamin K helps your blood clot normally and keeps your bones strong. And folate, that's especially important for cell growth. So if you're pregnant or thinking about it, Napa cabbage is a great choice. But it's not just the vitamins. Napa cabbage is also full of fiber and antioxidants. The fiber helps your digestion run smoothly, and antioxidants can help reduce inflammation in the body. Plus, it's super versatile. I throw it in salads, soups, or even ferment it to make kimchi, which is packed with probiotics. Now here's where things get interesting. Is there any reason you might want to avoid Napa cabbage? For most people, there's really no downside. But if you've got a thyroid condition, like hypothyroidism, you might want to pay attention. Napa cabbage, like other veggies in the cabbage family, has natural compounds called goitrogens. These can slow down your thyroid if you eat a ton of it raw. Don't stress though. Cooking Napa cabbage makes a big difference. It knocks down those goitrogens, so steaming, stir-frying, or tossing it in a soup is the way to go if you're concerned. So let's recap. Napa cabbage is nutrient-rich, low in calories, and good for digestion. The only real watch-out is for folks with thyroid issues. And even then, cooking it takes care of most of the risk. All in all, it's a healthy, delicious veggie that fits right into a balanced diet. Personally, I love it both raw in salads and cooked in warming soups. And don't even get me started on kimchi. Now I'm curious, how do you like your Napa cabbage? Raw, cooked, or fermented? Drop your answer in the comments. And if you found this helpful, hit like and subscribe for more bite-sized food facts. Catch you next time.
Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed the video, make sure to hit that subscribe button for more awesome content. And don't forget to smash that like button. Thanks for the support. See you in the next video.